What's going on? Antonio Carter here, delivering the 5 reasons why your Bing Ads CPA affiliate marketing is not converting to any sales. If you got a big old goose egg, a zero in the sales column, or you're struggling to get consistent results, your boy's going to reveal to you why. Stay tuned. Yes! Look, I'm going to deliver this great content, this fire content to you before I go to bed. All right, just because I like you, I really like you guys a lot, and so I just want to create a video for you before I go to bed very quickly. I've been getting a lot of questions as far as um, ads that's been running for a long time and why things are not converting. So because I get asked this question a lot, I'm creating a video for it. And so before I go ahead and give you reason number one, I want to let you know that I got a bonus tip, so continue to watch throughout the whole video. That bonus tip will be last, and it is probably the main thing to kind of 5x your results. But go ahead, hit the subscribe button for me, please. If anything resonates with you, if you have any questions, or if there's something that you're kind of unclear about, drop that in the comments below. Go ahead and share the video. If you're nice enough, please help me out. I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. Okay, we're gonna hit this mark. And also, I have a free get your first commissions video course with Bing Ads down below in the description. It's a video course that I created for you guys. It's completely free. If you go through the videos that I created for you, the modules, you will get your first commission or commissions at that. Okay. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Reason number one. Also, all of this stuff works for any platform. It works for uh, Max Bounty, which this is the website I'm on right now. It works for ClickBank. It works for any type of offers you get on Offer Vault. It works on Grab Ads. I did not curse. Oops. Okay, this is another, I guess they call it Cake Network or something. Did I spell it right? Let me go back and find it because I want to make sure I got this correct. Grab Ads Media. Okay, this is another high converting platform with affiliate um, offers, but this works for all platforms. Okay, this isn't just for one thing. Native ads, even all the above. Okay, but number one reason is that reason number one is that your offer sucks. It's horrible. It's whack. It's whatever slang word you want to use. It's bad. If you want to use some very basic words, however you understand it, if your offer is not converting and it is not making money, typically you have a bad offer. Okay. Now, like I said, you can use this for any platform. You will be able to see the information with these offers. If you're using something like Grab Ads or Max Bounty, you will have an affiliate manager. So first of all, contact your affiliate managers and say, hey, what is your highest converting offers in this particular market that you are advertising in? Okay. Whatever niche that you're advertising in, you ask them, they will know because they provide that. Okay. Whenever they make money, you make money. Actually, it's the opposite way around. Whenever you make money, they make money. So they want to give you the highest converting ads or offers that work very well. If you're using something like ClickBank, Warrior Forum, you'll be able to see like the pulse for Warrior Forum, how many things are being sold. For ClickBank, you get to see the gravity of the product. Okay, if your gravity is not high, I'm saying above like I say above 35, but if you're brand new and you're really trying to get your first sale, I would say get something no lower than 50. Okay. But all of these things have the ability to convert if the offer is doing well. Okay. So that's the first thing. Make sure your offer does not suck. Second thing is make sure your traffic is legit. All right. I come from a background internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and stuff where solo ads is a traffic source widely used amongst internet marketers. Solo ads is not bad, but within my market, they have gotten not as qualifiable for something. You really have to know who you're buying traffic from, okay? Reason being is that they're used to being sold all the time. But if you have ads being solo ads over in like gardening, it's going to be more hard quality because they're not used to being advertised to. Well, you have solo ads, you have Bing ads, you have Facebook ads, you have all these different things at your fingertips, and you want to make sure your traffic is legit, okay? You don't want some hand me down stuff from somebody else and you're not really too sure if it's working. You don't want to go to Fiverr and say, I will deliver 5,000 clicks for $5. You already know the traffic's going to be trash, okay? But in using something of like what I said, Bing ads or Google ads or something like that, where you're paying for the traffic, it is more high quality. It's just a little bit more of harder work when it comes to finding the right type of audience to advertise to, things of that nature. And we'll get into that a little bit more. Also, don't forget to check out my Bing ads training, get your free first commissions with Bing ads to really get into the nitty gritty with that. On to the next one. Number three, your ad messaging sucks. Okay. You want to make sure your ad messaging is good. All right. If you're advertising weight loss pills, you don't need to be advertising your verbiage within your ads, um, your landing pages, whatever it is, does not need to pertain to eating healthy or weightlifting. Okay. You're talking about weight loss. You want to talk about how many pounds you can use with a little trick. This one thing helped me lose 15 pounds. Well, this person may be struggling with diabetes, and your ad may say something about eat this food. This free PDF gives 20 diabetes recipes. I don't know what you call it. And they like that, and they click it, and all of a sudden they come across an offer where it's weight loss. Well, I mean, the person may need to lose weight, they may not need to lose weight, but they went to your link because of the fact that you're advertising a free diabetes book, with recipes and stuff. So make sure that your ads are congruent. The message is congruent with the landing page of your offer. If you don't do that, you will confuse the person, and a confused buyer is not a buyer. You want to make sure that it makes sense on whatever messaging that they're seeing and thinking of that is the same as the offer. Let me know if that makes sense, guys. If it doesn't, drop some comments down below. The next tip that I got for you guys is the pricing may be too high for your product for the audience that you're advertising to. Okay. This can be organic traffic. This can be paid traffic. It doesn't matter. Okay. Because the product, let's say I'm just making up something here, okay? Let's say you're advertising something that's $3,000. It's a phenomenal product, but you're advertising to 18 to 21-year-olds. The average 18 to 21-year-old, the average 18 to 21-year-old is not going to have $1,000 to $3,000 on the side to spend on your product. Makes sense, right? You typically want to advertise to individuals who have jobs, not people who live off of their parents, which means you're looking at people who are 25 and up typically, or even 30 and up, because once you hit the 30s and 35-year-old individuals and up, they normally have established jobs, they have bank accounts, they have savings, 401ks, if you're smart doing your thing, but they typically have more money to spend on this extra stuff. You want to advertise to people who do not have. However, if you have a $7 product, a $27 product, maybe a $97 product, but you're kind of pushing it a little bit, then you can advertise to that 18 to 21-year-old audience. So you need to know the type of audience that you're advertising to, organic or paid, and see if that's the right price for you to be selling your offer. Man, I'm delivering that fire to y'all right now. Now, the last tip, which is a bonus tip. I originally wanted to do 4 tips, but I decided to do 5. This is a bonus tip. And this is optimization. Optimization could be a big word for you. It's just a matter of scaling to see what is working and what is not working. Some of you guys may know about this and you don't want to hear about it anymore. But let me tell you, if you want to 5x your results, 2, 3, 4, 5x your results in a very short period of time, you want to optimize everything. And the only way that you can do that is track everything. You have to become a mad scientist about your results. I do it with my video analytics with YouTube, within like my video course, my YouTube video course and everything, how I show people how to get their first 100 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Link is down in the description if you guys are interested. But you have to track your numbers every single click. I use a program, a software called Click Magic, and that's within my video course, my free Bing Ads video course if you guys are interested in. But I track every single click and I track every single sale. Now, where optimization comes, guess what? There's a campaign that I'm running. Nobody is purchasing from any computers or tablets. They're only purchasing from smartphones. So that means out of all the thousands of clicks that I've ran and out of all the sales that I've got, they all came from smartphones. So why am I advertising to people with computers and tablets? That can save me a third of the money of my ad spend, and I can focus on only those who are using the smartphones to make the money. Right? Crazy. So now my return, my ROI, return on investment, goes through the roof, and I'm getting ads a lot quicker. Also, if you're using something like Bing Ad or Google Ads or something, you can eliminate the keywords that are not working and only target the keywords that is working. If you're doing that, your ROI will go through the roof. Imagine doing both of those things. What if I know that 18 and 21-year-olds are purchasing my product and all the people who are 65 and over are just clicking on everything without purchasing anything, which is a typical problem. Guess what? I eliminate the 65 and older. I save my money because they're wasted clicks, and I focus only on those 18 to 21-year-olds who are purchasing. Guys, this is where the money is. This is what separates the amateurs and the intermediate individuals from the experts, because they dial down and know exactly who they are advertising to. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. If you liked anything that I said, please hit that subscribe button. Please give me a thumbs up on under my video. Let me know that I did pretty good. I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Help me out here. Drop me some comments below. I love to hear from you guys. I always reply back. And please, please, please do not forget to download my free Bing Ads video course. I also got some other stuff down there. There's a book I'm promoting called Traffic Secrets. It will show you all about traffic, like every traffic source, super, super, super in depth. It is a free book. All you got to do is just pay for shipping and it will be shipped straight to your door. Shipping's only like $9, which can revolutionize the book itself can revolutionize your whole business. If you buy that, I'll give you some lifetime memberships from my affiliate course, my affiliate marketing course, which is I think $29 a month, and also my YouTube course, which is $37 a month. I'll give you lifetime access to that. So if you go ahead, purchase it, look at my link down below under this video, make the purchase, send me a message down below in the comments, and we'll be in touch. All right, guys, have a good night.